So we are now ready to print our Benchy boat, and the Benchy boat will be printed in with the following settings. Layers will be 0.2, infill will be 20%. With the filament I have in the printer, we will have a temperature of 210 degrees and the bed will be 60 degrees. I will print it in both the newest version of Cura, I think it's 4.4, and the newest version of Simplify 3D. And that's because I want also to compare these two slices, and yeah, let's get into it. So let me just get it printed. It only takes 30 seconds and then I'm back. So 30 seconds, 2 prints, one with sliced in Cura and the other sliced in Simplify 3D, and exactly with the same settings. So I don't know if you can see what is what, but it's also maybe far away. But if I look at them from the top here, from the helicopter view, they look, matter of fact, very, very equal. This boat has a little bit better the roof. The signature in the roof is very clear here. None of these two boats has had any post-processing. It's not removed any stringing, and they are, matter of fact, came out very well, both of them. So this one, there's also very nice holes for the flag, there's a very nice hole for the propeller, and the holes for the anchor holes are also extremely nice, so the bows and everything looks really, really beautiful. Also the pipe is round and nice with the hole in, and the text below looks very nice, and I can read everything. CT3D, XYZ, and the same with this boat. It's a little bit more clear. It seems that it has been not over extruded at all, but maybe a little bit under. It's not under extruded. Matter of fact, looks quite nice. On this boat, it seems a little bit under extruded in some cases, but there's no hole or no gap. It just looks like something like that. Well, this boat is Simplify 3D, and this boat is Cura 4.4, and I have to say there is almost no difference on these two boats, and I'm very surprised how well Cura has made this print. It took a little bit longer time in Cura when I sliced it. I don't know why. It must have something to do with how the slicer works, and Simplify was almost 20% less print time. But both results are very well. So this is the end of tweaking of the Wanhao Duplicator D9, and as you can see, I'm very happy with the result. And yeah, I will try to print some other stuff now, and I have a printer I will be happy with a good quality and a strong printer. So thank you for this time. See you another time, another day. Bye bye.